Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Parate. I am an orthopedic surgeon and a share market enthusiast. I am not SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Please go through this disclaimer. I am making this video on 15-minute chart of Bajaj Finserve. Bajaj Finserve was in good uptrend with higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this was good uptrend on 15-minute chart and it lasted for almost 5 days. My trend line will be from this point. After this high is broken and this low is made, this will be trend line. Then prices went up rapidly, so trend line will change for 15-minute time frame. After this high is made and this low is made, trend line is shifted once this high is broken. So this high was broken and prices went up. Then there was retracement and prices again went up. So this would be good trend line. Once this high is broken, this would be a good trend line. It was respected as demand line and there was break at this point. So this was break of trend line of up move. Then prices came down and they broke this low as well. And this became a valid supply zone. This was valid supply zone. Prices came down, then there was some retracement. There must be some supply zone here on smaller time frame from which it reacted and then went on to 15-minute supply zone from which there was fall. At this point prices fell below so from 15-minute supply zone prices fell below previous lower low. So this low was broken and new lower low was made. Trend turned downtrend here and we can make a down sloping trend line. This was a down sloping trend line. Swing low, then high, again low, again low. Prices retraced. It could not break this low. Prices could not break this low and went up. At this point, this trend line is broken and at one point of time it would be a breakout of two levels because this was day's high and this was trend line resistance. Both were broken with this candle. So some breakout traders at this point, some breakout traders might have taken entry. This breakout failed and it was confirmed with red candle forming next to breakout candle. I would have taken a short entry here with a stop loss of 30 points. My entry would have been at this point with a stop loss of 30 points. For target, I'll make a parallel channel from this point. This is almost connecting this and target was achieved at this candle. Incidentally, this is a demand zone here because this is a support here where previously there was buying, which can be seen from this price action as prices went up significantly from this point of buying. So this is good level for booking profit. From this point to this point it was good down move, almost 143 points. With stop loss of 30 points, there was possible target of 145 points, which comes to around 1:5. This would have been excellent trade with very nice risk to reward intraday.